Today I will talk about how can you find your notifications on your GetYourGuide app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all notifications you have here. Like you see here, I have no activity yet here, but if you have it here automatically, you will find it in this list on your GetYourGuide app. So that's all you have to do to find your notifications. That's all I wish know you I give it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.